Hi. If you need to create an Arkansas Ideas account so that you can complete professional development, simply log on at Arkansas Ideas and select Create New Account. I would suggest using your email address for your username, your Lisa email address. Create the same password that you use for that email address. You can unmask it so you know that it's correct. Please keep in mind that your password has to have these things, which you probably should have for your Lisa password as well. You'll use your email address again here and again here. First name, last name is required. The rest is not as important, but do put in your city and state because that does please put in your city because that does address what may be on your license if you have a license. If you don't, take a breath, it's going to be okay. Then you're going to put in your date of birth. If you're not a school member, please don't toggle this. This is the only tricky part. When you click Choose Organization, you need to select Charter Districts Not Associated with a Co-op and click this little plus sign. Then click the plus sign beside Lisa Academy. Finally, select the school that you are currently working at. If you do happen to teach at multiple schools, just select your primary school and then click OK. You'll see that it's highlighted here, so you know that you chose the right school. Click OK. Indicate that you understand and agree. Perhaps you want to read the policy statement and then click Create New Account. That's all it takes. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me.